Hi guys, you're welcome back to this step-by-step guide on how you can find and copy your major deposit address on Bitget. So guys, it's very easy to do. Just make sure you hang on to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment. So guys, let's get started. So guys, now the first step now is to tap on where you can see assets. I see it right there at the bottom right. So let me tap on it. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see add funds. You can see it right there on the left hand side. So let me tap on it. So guys, what you have to do right here now is to tap on where you can see deposit crypto. You can see it right there at the top. So let me tap on it. So guys, now this is the point where you have to search for the cryptocurrency that you want to copy its deposit address. And for this case, we want to find and want to copy the major deposit address. So you have to scroll through to look for major. But in case you can't find major, you can easily find it using the search icon at the top. You can see the search icon right there. So let me tap on it. Then once the search icon opens up, what you have to do is to type in major. So let me type in major, M-A-J-O-R. Then let me tap on search. So guys, now you can see the search result right there. The one you have to go for is the first one. You can see the first option there. It is written major. You can see the major logo right there. So guys, that's the one you have to tap on. So let me tap on major. So guys, now this way you're going to be able to copy your major deposit address. But before I show you guys how you can do it, you can see where it is written network. You can see that the network chosen is TON because major is actually launching on the TON blockchain. So guys, let's go over to the deposit address. You can see that encircled area right there. That's your major deposit address. So now for you to be able to copy it, you have to tap on the copy icon just next to it on the right hand side. You can see it right there. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see copied. So guys, now this is how you can be able to find and copy your major deposit address on Bitget. So guys, I believe this was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment. See you in the next upload. Bye bye. Peace.